In this video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in HubSpot Conversations Inbox. To do that, first head over to your conversation settings. You can do so by clicking onto the search bar and searching right here for conversations. And also proceed to search for inbox if you would want. Here we have our conversation settings, so head over and click on that. Once you're in there, you can see right here your actual inbox. Choose the inbox that you want to forward the email into. If you haven't have one yet, you can head over and click on this connect a channel and choose to connect using theme, chat, forms, and likes. Head over and choose form and then select a form that you want to connect. Click on next. Automatically assign conversation. You can choose right here and click on save. Then after that, it will create your actual automation. Once we're in there, you just need to find the forwarding address. Look for the forwarding address section and copy the unique HubSpot. So here we have this, uses for sending. You can head over and edit this according to your liking and set up your forwarding in your email provider, typically using Google and other options. Click onto this edit and edit it however you want. You can copy this and change this as usual. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.